Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to use Buffer. First, go to the Buffer website and type in your email address. Then click on the Get Started Now button. Wait for a moment as Buffer completes a security check to make sure everything is safe. After the security check, you will need to enter your email address and create a password to set up your account. Once you have done that, click on the Sign Up button. You will see another quick browser security check happening. After that, you are ready to start using Buffer to manage your social media. To start growing your audience, click on Connect Channels, then click on Create Post. Here, you can write your post and attach an image from your device. Write whatever you'd like in your post. Next, you will need to connect your social media channels like Facebook or Instagram. If you want to connect to Facebook, simply click on Connect next to Facebook. Choose the type of Facebook account you want to connect to, like a Facebook group or page. After selecting, click on Continue as your username. Select which you would like to add. Then click on Add to Buffer. Now click on Create a Post. You can try the Buffer Team plan for free 14 days. You can repeat the same process to create more posts whenever you like. And that is it. You're all set to manage your social media with Buffer. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.